Hey everyone, do you want to grow your Instagram account but confused in Reels? I am here to break it down for you. Reels are short and attention grabbing videos that loved by Instagram. The algorithm optimizes Reels, so it's great way to get your content seen by more people. Here are few things you can do to create an engaging reel. First, use captions like these because most of people watch on mute, so caption will grab their attention. Next, leverage Instagram built-in features like green screen and split screen to make your reels more dynamic and interesting. Finally, post consistently. The more you create reels, the more likely you will discover by the new followers. Ready to take your Instagram game to the next level? Start creating reels today. I hope this helps. Let me know in comments what kind of reels you like to see. And if you want help in reels editing, I can help you.